Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're gonna join me in my kitchen. I'm going to make some fast chicken curry with rice. I have some friends over. So let's go in the kitchen. I have some oil heating up here. I have my tomato paste, curry powder, turmeric dye, garam masala and seasoning, green seasoning. Green masala. Something it. Masala got a chunky a little. Okay guys, I'm putting in the chicken. Put some salt in there. And I'll leave it to bun please. I'm going to put in the potato in there. Give it a turn. Let it cook for 2 minutes more. I'll put water to boil it. Don't drain guys. It looks so nice in there. Put in the water to boil the chicken. That's good.
There we go.
My curry boiling. Chicken curry. It will be finished soon once the potato is boiled. Let me see. Oh yes, we need more. Oh, there it is. Okay. And the rice is boiling too. The curry almost finished guys. I'll give it maybe 3-4 minutes more and let it dry down a little. And I let it go. That's it. Guys, this is the chicken curry finished. I'll take out the stove. And that's it for the chicken curry. Hi guys, so here is my guests. They're having a good time with the food. I like to know what it tastes like, so they're gonna tell you.
Very delicious. Very good.
Hear that?
As always.
Very delicious.
Why don't wait? I eat.
Okay guys, I'm gonna put this in my mouth. And when I put it in my mouth, you open your mouth too. And when I chew, you chew. And when I swallow, you swallow.
So that's it. You guys,
It's
everything
good.
is good? Okay.
Very
You did a
good.
good job.
Thank you, Will.
Good job, Shanti.
Okay. Okay guys, this is it for now. Until you see me in the next cooking show. And don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.